Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Alphabet Adventure. Today we're learning about the loud and lovely letter L.
This is the letter L. L makes the sound
L.
like in lion. Can you say it with me?
L.
Great. Here's a lion. Lions are big cats that live in the wild. They're known as the kings of the jungle. Can you roar like a lion? Next. Here's the leaf. Leaves grow on trees, and they can be green, yellow, or even red. Have you ever seen a colorful leaf? And look at this lamp. Lamps light up our rooms when it's dark. Do you have a lamp in your room? Which of these starts with L? Is it the lion? Or the elephant? That's right. Lion starts with L. Lion. Leaf. Lamp.
Let's pick up a book and read it now.
Leo the lion loves lollipops. Leo the lion finds a lollipop. He picks it up and licks it. Says Leo. It tastes so sweet. Leo licks and licks until it's all gone. L is for lion. L is for lollipop.
Today, we learned all about the letter L. Lion. Leaf. Lamp. Next time, we'll learn the letter M. Can you guess a word that starts with M? See you soon, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more alphabet adventures.